This is how you can play any sound after receiving a follow, share, sub, or any gift on TikTok Live. This is an update from my previous guide, and I'm happy to report that it's now even easier to do. So to do this, you just need access to a PC or a Mac, and you need to head to the TikFinity website, which I've linked in the description. If you haven't made an account yet, click on the setup page and make an account. Then once you're done, head to the sound alerts page. Now, before we get started, the most important thing to note with TikFinity is that you need this website open for the duration of your live stream. You can have it minimized, and if it's not working, just reload the TikFinity website after going live. From here, it's super simple. You just click on Create Sound Alert, and firstly, you choose the trigger, which as mentioned is a follow, share, sub, any gift or a specific gift. You can just look through the list, or you can type in what you want and it will appear. So let's go with the TikTok universe for this example. Once you've chosen the gift, you just click select sound, and now you have a choice of two things. So you can either upload sound, where you can use your own sound file and upload literally anything you want, or even easier, you can use the inbuilt sound library, which as it says here is provided by myinstance.com. This is a popular sound library which contains thousands of sounds like memes and other things that you'll find on the internet. So for example, if I search it here for SpongeBob, it's probably going to give me hundreds of results, as you can see, for SpongeBob related sounds. And you can of course hit the play button. Let's just listen to this one. I'm sure you've heard it.
A few moments later.
And if you're happy with it, you just press apply, and it's that simple. Job done. Now we have SpongeBob a few moments later assigned to a TikTok universe. So that's my instance. Let's look at quickly how to upload your own sound. So once again, just choose a trigger. This time I'll choose a follow. It doesn't have to be gifts. So now I'm going to click on select sounds. It's simple as clicking upload sound and then find where your file is saved. So here's my file. It uploads really fast, and once it's uploaded, the job is done. Now this sound file here is going to play whenever somebody follows me. If you want to make sure you've got the correct sound, all you do is press the play icon to the left of the sounds. All of the sounds on this page play through your web browser. If you're streaming from your phone, you need to make sure that your phone mic is picking up your computer speakers. And if you're streaming from a computer, make sure that Live Studio or OBS is picking up your computer audio. So this page has only two settings really, so it has play sound simultaneously. So let's say two different viewers send you a gift at the same time. This will play the sounds on top of each other. Usually I would say leave this on because the viewers usually just enjoy the chaos of the sounds clashing, but that's personal preference. If you want the sounds to queue up, then just untick play sound simultaneously. And that does lead us on to the queue length here. So if you untick this box, the sounds will go into a queue. Highly unlikely you'll have 5,000 gifts backed up, but if you are a popular streamer, you can raise this number as high as 5,000. And when you get a gift, it'll just go in a queue and the sounds will play one after another. You could upload 5 of these for free, so very quickly, I'm just going to randomly pick 5 different sounds, and we're going to see what happens if we try and upload a 6th. So I'll just do this very quickly and apply some random ones. And you can see just based on what I'm doing how easy this is to set up. I've just set up 5 sounds in about 2 minutes. But let's see what happens if we try and create the 6th one. As you can see, it says you need to upgrade your account to TikFinity Pro in order to use unlimited sounds. So if you've actually signed up using the link I put in the description, that's going to give you $4 off TikFinity Pro. And you can sign up to TikFinity Pro on the setup page. But if I just click no here, we do actually have a workaround which is going to get us 5 more sounds for free. And just quickly before we get to that, if you need any help setting up your sound alerts, or if you need any help with anything else related to TikTok Live, then check out my Fiverr page, which is linked in the description, and I'd be happy to help. To do that workaround, we head to the actions and events page, and we click on create new action. And then what we do is we name our action. So again, let's use SpongeBob as an example. So I'll just type in SpongeBob sound here. And then you've got a load of options here, but we're going to focus on audio. I'm going to click play audio, and you once again have the option to upload your own sound file or choose from the library of sounds. And once again, we'll just type in SpongeBob. We'll pick a SpongeBob sound. We'll press apply. Once we've applied it, you can change any of these other options if you want, but we're focusing on sounds. Make sure the display duration is longer than the length of the sound. Make sure you've ticked repeat with gift combos. So for example, if they send you 2 of the same gift, it will play the sound twice. If you don't want that, untick it, and then just press save. We're not done yet though, because we now need to create a new event and assign the gift to the sound. So we click on sending a specific gift, and for example, we'll pick something random off the list. If I want the star gift to be attached to the SpongeBob sound, firstly I choose the gift, and now I choose the action, which is the sound that we've selected. So the action is the SpongeBob sound. If you wanted a specific gift to pick between random sounds, you can instead put the SpongeBob sound and upload more actions, and then it would randomly pick between them. But we're just playing the SpongeBob sound when somebody sends a star, so I'll just press save. Now the final step for actions and events depends whether or not you're streaming from your phone or from your computer. If you're streaming from a computer or a Mac, all you have to do is click on screen 1 here, or whatever screen your sound is attached to, and then you either add it as a browser source to OBS, or you add it as a link source to TikTok Live Studio. Once you've done that, just press the play button to test that it works, so let's listen. If you're streaming from your phone, instead of doing the screens, just head to the overlay gallery here, scroll down until you find My Actions, and then you just have to keep this page open. If you're not getting any sounds, web browsers can be a bit strange, so just reload the website and then click once on the page, and that should activate the sounds on the page. Now you can just repeat that for 4 more sounds, so you can get a total of 10 sounds for free on TikFinity. And once again, if you wanted more than that, I would suggest you just use the sound alerts page and you upgrade to TikFinity Pro, and use the link in the description to make an account, and it will give you 20% off TikFinity Pro. And TikFinity has way more than just sound alerts, which I've explained in this video here. Subscribe if you found this useful. Thank you to the channel members for supporting the videos, and thanks for watching.